Welcome to another in our series of videos aimed at making Trim 2D Building Designer easier to use for the modeling community. In this video we're going to look at two commands, align and arrange. Here you can see the usual pieces of software and cast pieces that are contained in the Building Designer, and I've gathered 4 of them onto one slide to illustrate these two commands. There's a very nice window from ScaleCast. There's a very tall window also from ScaleCast. This is 1.5 bricks high. There's a window from Linka's timber mould system, and there's the basic building block of Linka from the stone moulds. We're going to zoom in a little, and then we'll use these 4 pieces to illustrate these two commands, align and arrange. What I want to do is I want to take that window in the top left and put it on top of the stone piece. So I'm going to click on the window and then shift click on the stone piece. Now I right click and I go to alignment. If I click on centered, look what happens. The two pieces jump together, but they are centered along the y-axis. They're not centered along the y-axis and the x-axis. So that's my next stage. I want to move that window downwards. So I click again, right click again on alignment, and then left click on center, and now I've got the window aligned both on the y-axis and the x-axis for this window and piece of stone. If I go to the other two windows and right click on those, then go to alignment and click on bottoms, what happens is they align at the bottoms of the two. They're still linked together, so if I right click and go alignment again and tops, then the tops now line up. So that's the simple result of alignment. That's what that command does. Let's now have a look at arrange. And here I want to use the window, blue window, and the stone piece and move them backwards and forwards in the plane. I'm sorry, this is a mistake. Start again. What I want to do is put that window, arrange, center back, and it's disappeared. It's gone behind the stone piece. If I grab the stone piece and move it to the left, you'll see that the window becomes visible. If I move the stone piece back so it only partially covers the window, and then I click on the window, right click, and then on the drop down menu click on arrange and say bring to front, then that's exactly what happens. And now I can move it along the stone piece and it comes to the front and stays there. Those are the two commands, align and arrange. I hope they're going to be useful to you in your using Trim 2D Building Designer. Please do visit our websites, londonwebsoftware.com and trim.co.uk, and also look at our other YouTube videos on our YouTube channel.